we'll do Mangalacharanam. Om Sahanavavatu Sahanau Hunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः. Yesterday we have seen lang lakara of Atmanipad. So I hope you have memorized few verses, not verses, verbs. So let's decline it again. We will move to next Vidhiling Lakar. Right? So we'll take up one Kriya Pada which will be declined in Lat Lakara, Lot Lakara and Lang Lakara. Okay, let's take Vanda Dhatu first. Lang Lakar. First we will decline in Lat Lakar, Atmanipad. Vandate.
Vandate, Vandete, Vandante, Vandase, Vandethe, Vandadve, Vande, Vandavahe, Vandamahe.
Good. Next Dhatu, Lot Lakar, Kshama Dhatu, Kshamatam.
Khomutam, Khomitam, O Khomuntam.
Lot Lakar we are declining. No need to use
Khomusho, Khomitam, Khomudham, Khomui, Khomabohi, Khomamahi.
Kshamai, Kshamavahi, Kshamamahi. Now Lang Lakar we are declining. Vidadhatu, Avidyata.
Which one?
Vidyate.
So avidyata na atika.
Avidyata.
Avidyata, avidyetam, avidyanta. Avidyataha, avidyetam, avidyadvam. Avidye, aviddavahi, aviddhamahi.
Avidyavahi, avidyamahi. Now take up another Kriya Pada, Seva in Lat Lakar. Sevate.
सेवते सेवेते सेवन्ते सेवसे सेवेथे सेवध्वे सेवे सेवावहे सेवामहे.
Iksha Dhatu, Lot Lakar. Ikshata, right? So Ikshatam.
Ikshatam, Ikshitam, Ikshantam, Ikshasha, Ikshitham, Ikshadham, Ikshoi, Ikshabahoi, Ikshamahi.
Bhasha Dhatu, Lang Lakar.
Abhashato, Abhashmasitam, Abhashanto, Abhashathaha, Abhashitham, Abhashadham, Abhashoi, Abhashabahi, Abhashamahi.
Someone else now. Rabha Dhatu in Lang Lakar. Arabhata.
Arabhato, Arabhitam, Arabhanto, Rabotha, Arabhitham, Arabadham, Arabhoi, Arabhui, Rabhavoi, Arabhamai.
Ramadhatu, Lat Lakar, Ramadhatu.
Ramate,
Someone else also give the chance to everyone.
Moday?
अन्यैः अपि वक्तव्यं खलु, सर्वैः वक्तव्यं. अन्ये अपि वदन्तु. तस्य तु अभ्यासः अस्ति एव, अन्येषामपि भवेत् खलु. You all shall practice it. He knows, he already practiced. So हिरालजी, रामबालाजी, कनिष्क, राइट, कनिष्क. रभते धातु.
अहं वदामि वा?
हाँ वदतु.
रमाबाला. रभते लोट् लकार.
हाँ ओके.
रभते, रभेते, रभन्ते, रभसे, रभेथे, रभध्वे, रभे, रभावहे, रभामहे.
नाइस. नेक्स्ट इज वर्ध धातु. वर्ध लोट लकार नाउ.
अहं वदामि वा?
आम वदतु.
विच धातु सर?
वर्ध धातु.
वर्ध धातु लोट् लकार. वर्धतां, वर्धेतां, वर्धन्तां, वर्धस्व, वर्धेथां, वर्धध्वं, वर्धै, वर्धावहै, वर्धामहे.
शंस धातु लंग लकार.
अक्षमत, अक्षमेताम,
अशंसत.
शंस, संशय, संशय का सर?
हाँ संशयार्थम.
असंशयत, असंशयत, असंशयताम, असंशयताम, असंशयंत, असंशयथाः, असंशयथे, असंशयथे, असंशयध्वम, असंशय, असंशावहे, असंशामहे.
फाइन. सह धातु लट लकार. सह. यस कनिष्क.
सहते, सहन्ते, सहसे,
सहते, सहेते,
ते,
सहन्ते.
ते, सहसे, सहेथे, सहध्वे, सहे, सहावहे, सवामहे.
सहावहे, सहामहे. नाइस. नेक्स्ट धातु इज जनजायते लोट लकार. अजायताम, अजायेताम, अजायन्ताम, अजायस्व,
जायेथाम, जायध्वम.
हाँ अजाय, सॉरी,
जायध्वम.
अजायध्वम. Did I use aham? Not
Ja-
right. Huh.
Shall I say from the
Yes,
beginning?
from beginning. Yes.
Yeah. Jayatam, jayeta, jayanta, jayaswa, jayetham, jayadhvam, jayehe,
Jayayi,
jaye, okay, jaye, jayavahe, jayamahe.
nice. Yud dhatu lang lakar.
अयुध्य,
अयुध्यत,
अयुध्यत, अयुध्येताम, अयुद्धन्त, अयुद्धेथाः, अयुद्धेथाम, अयुद्धध्वम,
okay.
अयुद्धे, अयुद्धावहि, अयुद्धामहि.
Fine. Now I am going to ask a few words. You have to guess Sanskrit root for that dhatu. For example, to understand, either you can say Parasmay Padam or you can say Atmane Padam. To understand, to know.
Nayate.
Jnana, nya.
So ja, actually Jna dhatu.
Jna dhatu.
Nya.
Atmanepadi. Ubhayapadi.
No. Jnayate is
Atmanepadi.
Karmani form.
जानाति is the
Janati
janati.
is Parasmay
Jna
Padi.
dhatu janati is the parasmaipadi.
Parasmaipadi only. Jnayate, it is a karmani
Jnatru.
form.
Jnatru.
Okay.
No, Atmanepada yesterday you gave.
Which
Jnatru.
one?
Jnatru.
I didn't give yesterday. That was another Kriya Pada, Buddha.
Ha. No, Tudadi Gana you gave, ne? Atmanepada Jnatru, to know.
Yesterday,
Ha.
I gave word. That
Ah.
is word. That is not Kriya Pada. That is
Okay.
not root.
Ha.
Jnata is
Jnata.
a shabda. Correct.
Okay.
That is made of Jna dhatu only, but there is particular separate pratyaya, Trijanta pratyaya. That is not Kriya Pada pratyaya, right? Yes.
No, you didn't give in the list, right?
Yes, I am giving a separate particular
Right,
gana
that
I
was
am
the
giving
separate-
and
Yes.
okay,
that was
let me
the
ask
separate
some another now. To gain or to merge. Okay, to merge.
to merge.
Pranarodhanat
Liyate Manaha.
liyate. Right? Liyate means to merge. Laya शब्द इस धातु से आता है कि नहीं? I consider to consider.
Manye.
Okay, manyate, manyate, right?
Hmm.
Okay, to fly.
Aga.
Dayate.
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 Day dhatu.
D dhatu, it becomes dayate. To
Dayate.
fight.
It's a divadi gan, right?
To fight.
Yuddhate.
Yudhyate, right? To address. To say.
Vaksha.
Dish,
Sorry.
dish dhatu. Dishate.
Disha dhatu, to say. What about to stay?
Was.
Stha.
Vasa.
Tishthate.
Stha dhatu.
Thashyate.
Tishtati.
Tishtati.
Sa tishtati.
Thashyate कर्मणि प्रयोगो.
Actually, thasyati is a thasyati. Sthiyate is karmani prayoga. Thasyati is lrit lakar.
Lit लगा है.
Thasyati.
Lot प्रयोगो तिष्ठति.
Tishtati. Tishtati means to stand, not stay. But sometimes it is used for sahat tatra tishtati, means he stays there. That way, sometimes it is used. But for stay, we use either vas dhatu or vasati, you know. Ramah vane nivasati. Saha tatra nivasati. Vas dhatu or varta dhatu, to be, to stay.
वर्तते.
Vartate. To beg, to ask. Actually, it will be ask.
Vacha.
पृच्छति.
Yes, prichati is to ask. Okay, to beg.
Bhikshate. Bhikshate. Bhikshda.
जाचति. जाचति.
Yach, there is a particular
Yach.
dhatu. Yach. Right?
जाचति.
Okay. Then, what shall I ask? To serve. To serve.
महोदय पुनर्वदतु.
To serve.
सेवते.
सब सेवते.
Correct.
Sevate.
To praise.
Sorry?
To praise. There is some noise, please, after saying.
संक्षते. संक्षते.
Shamsate. To criticize.
निंदति. निंदति. निंदति.
Nindanti niti nipunaha. There is another shloka, right? Nindati is a parasmaipadi dhatu. And to doubt, there is some noise from someone. That
Shankate.
आवाज आ रहा है.
शंकते.
Shankate. To speak.
Samshaya.
वदति.
Vadati. Another dhatu which belongs to Atmanepada.
आत्मनेपदे.
Vadati belongs to Parasmaipada.
हाँ.
we have seen another dhatu from Bhadigana which belongs to Atmanepada.
उच्यते
No. Uchyate is karmani prayoga. Bhashana.
भाषते भाषते
भाषते
भाषते
भाषते
भाषते
Bhashate. I have to give the hints, right? Okay. Another. To beat.
मिल
ताड
मिलति
ताडति
To
ताडते
give up.
give up.
To release.
त्यजति
Tyajati.
टू
Correct.
गिव अप त्यजति
Tyajati. Tyajati. Munchati. Munchate. Right? Okay. To cook.
पचति
Pachati.
Pak.
Okay. To
Pachati.
count.
गणयति
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 To touch.
स्पृशति
पृष्टि
Sprushati. Right?
स्पृशति
पृशति
To nourish.
लालयति पालनय पालयति
पालयति
Okay.
पुष्टति
पालयति
Pushyati. Lalayati. Palayati. Fine. To walk.
गच्छति
चलति
चलति
Chalati. Correct. To give.
ददाति
ददाति दाधातु
Dadatu. Yachati or dadati. Both kriyapada can be used. To get up.
उत्तिष्ठ
उत्तिष्ठति
तिष्ठति
To sit down.
उपविशति
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 Okay. To announce. To make announcement.
घोषयति
दिण्डिमा
घोषयति
घोषयति
Okay. To compose. To arrange.
सञ्चयति 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 सङ्कलति सङ्कलति
Sankalayati. To actually to compose a poet. Some shloka, etc.
Rachayati.
Poem, etc.
रचयति
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 To wash.
प्रक्षालयति
चालयति
चालयति
Kshalayati. Prakshalayati. Right? Okay. Now I am going to give a kriyapada. Someone among you have to decline that kriyapada in all 5 lakaras. So let me ask you. परस्मैपदी क्रियापद पूज धातु. हाँ रेणुका जी.
लट् लकार पूजति पूजतः
पूजयति दशम गण धातु. राइट.
पूजयति पूजयति पूजतः पूजन करेक्ट
यतः
पूजयतु पूजयतो पूजयति पूजयतो पूजयन्ति
पूजयन्ति
पूजयसि पूजयथो पूजयथो पूजयामि पूजयावो पूजयामो.
हाँ अयविकरण you have to add. Next you can decline रेणुका जी. लोट लकार. पूजयतु
लोट पूजयतु पूजयतं
पूजयताम
पूजयतां पूजयन्तु पूज
पूजय
पूजय पूजयतं पूजयत पूजयतानि पूजय
पूजयानि
पूजयानि पूजयाव पूजयाम.
Now विधिलिंग लकार.
पूजयेत्
पूजयेताम
पूजयेतां पूजयेतुः
पूजयेयुः
युः पूजयेयुः युः and then
पूजयेः
पूजयेतं पूजयेत पूजयेयं पूजयेब पूजयेम.
correct. Now लंग लकार past tense.
अपूजयत् अपूजयताम् अपूजयन् अपूजयः अपूजयत्तम् अपूजयत अपूजयम् अपूजाव
अपूजयाव.
अपूजयाव अपूजयाम.
Now लृट लकार.
Lrit is future tense.
Future tense.
So it will be
पूजयिष्यति,
पूजयिष्यति, पूजयिष्यतः, पूजयिष्यन्ति, पूजयिष्यसि, पूजयिष्यतः, पूजयिष्यतः, पूजयिष्यामि, पूजयिष्यावः, पूजयिष्यामः.
Nice. Now atmanepada will take another kriya pada. It can be declined lat lakar, lot lakar and lang lakar. Okay, take a kriya pad yudhya dhatu, yudhyate. Fast, we have to move to next.
युध्यते युध्यन्ते युद्धस्य युद्धते युद्धेते युद्धन्ते युद्धसे युद्धे युद्धथे युद्धध्वे युद्धे युद्धावहे युद्धामहे. लंगलकार अयुद्धत अयुद्धेताम अयुद्धन अयुद्धताः अयुद्धेथाम अयुद्धध्वम अयुद्धे अयुद्धावहि अयुद्धामहि. लुट्लकार युद्धिष्यते युद्धिष्येते युद्धिष्यन्ते युद्धिष्यसे युद्धिष्येथे युद्धिष्यध्वे युद्धिष्ये युद्धिष्यावहे युद्धिष्यामहे. लोट लकार युद्धेताम युद्धे युद्धताम युद्धेताम युद्धन्ताम युद्धस्व युद्धेथाम युद्धध्वम युद्धै युद्धावहै युद्धामहै. विधिलिख लकार युद्धेत युद्धेताम युद्धेरन युद्धेथा युद्धेथा.
Have you memorized or you are referring something?
I am referring that pratyayas.
Okay. I thought you have memorized. We
No,
haven't
no.
seen within lakar 8, but fine.
Pratyayas I am looking, sir.
Acha, nice. Now today actually we are going to see Vidhiling Lakara. That's how I was wondering. We haven't seen Lrit Lakara. We haven't seen Vidhiling Lakara. Right?
Little bit I have learned. Little bit. Not
Okay.
more.
That's good. That's good. Okay.
Shall I tell Vidhilinkar? Otherwise.
Okay, you can finish. Yes.
युद्धेत युद्धेताम युद्धेरन युद्धेथाः युद्धेथाम युद्धेध्वम युद्धेय युद्धेवहि युद्धेमहि.
Okay, nice.
धन्यवाद.
Now, yesterday we were looking at that Shurpanakha story. We will finish that and we will move to next. Okay. Is it visible? Now. Okay. First para we had finished. Now let's move to next. Yada sa, what was the brief? I will explain that story. Yesterday we saw Maharshi Valmiki is comparing the character of Bhagwan Sri Ram and Shurpanakha. How Sri Rama was looking, or how he used to look, or how he used to appear, and how Shurpanakha was. So that was seen. Then in next para, let's see. Yada sa na agachat tada tam apasarayitum hasyapurna vachanaihi vakyaihi lakshmanasya samipam apreshayat. Ramaha Shurpanakam apreshayat. This is main sentence. Kada apreshayat? Yada sa na agachat, when she was not ready to go away from that place or from Ramachandra. Then how he tried to escape? Hasya purna vakyaihi tam Shurpanakham Lakshmanasya samipam apreshayat athva samipe apreshayat. So he was making a joke, or he was like with smile face, he was trying to escape that Shurpanakha, right? Apreshayat. Which lakara is this?
Lang lakar.
Lang lakara. Parasmay pada uta atmani pada.
Parasmay pada.
Here it is parasmay pada, right? Apreshayat. Lakshmanaha api भ्रातुः अभिप्रायं ज्ञात्वा तां पुनः रामसमीपं प्रेषितवान्. Then what Lakshmana did? He understood the abhipraya of Bhagwan Ram. Then what he did? He sent her away again towards Ramachandra. Right? And again, evam हास्यास्पदम अथवा हास्यास्पदाम स्थितिं प्राप्ता सा शूर्पणखा अपगमिष्यति. That should be अपगमिष्यति or अपगच्छति इति राम लक्ष्मणौ अचिन्तयताम्. अचिन्तयताम्.
Again, lang lakara.
लंग लकार.
लंग लकार.
हाँ.
Dvivachana.
मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचन.
मध्यम
Prathama purusha.
प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचन.
तो
हाँ.
प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचन.
Correct.
सॉरी प्रथम पुरुष.
अचिन्तयताम्. Right? परस्मैपद. Huh. What happened? So she will go away thinking like that. They thought that if we make some jokes on her, she will go away. Then what happens next? Yada Ramah Lakshmanah tava rupasya anurupo bharata. Means what? Iti avadat. Ramah avadat. Kim avadat? Lakshmanah tava rupasya anurupo bharata. Means what? Bharata means, here Bharata can be taken as husband. Right? Lakshman will be good for you, said Rama. Then Shurpanakaya etad hasyam api jnatavyam asit. Right? She could have understood that he is joking on me, but she didn't. Then what happens? Again, Lakshmanah api tam kamalavarnini varavarnini ityadibihi sambodhayati. Again, Lakshmana was using a good title. You know, you are like Kamalavarna. Kamalavarna means you are like looking like lotus. Your color is as beautiful as lotus. Varavarnini, you are Sreshthavarni. It is Sambodhaya. Tathapi Mandaprajna Shurpanakha na avagachat. Avagachat. Which form is this?
लंग लकार only.
One by one, I am not able to hear anyone.
No.
Upasarga ita.
महोदय अहं वदामि.
एकवचन.
अव उपसर्गपूर्वक अगच्छत्.
अव उपसर्गपूर्वक अगच्छत्.
Long.
What does that mean?
Understand.
She could not understand. अतः क्षम्यताम्. अतः एव वाल्मीकिः तां परिहासविचक्षणा इति उक्तवान्. Right? Then what happens? यदा शूर्पणखा सीताम् आहर्तु कामा अभवत् तदा तां वारयितुं यत् किञ्चित् करणीयं तत् कृतम् अथवा करणीयम् अभवत्. So when she was ready to eat Sita, then ultimately they had to do something. Rama Lakshmana had to do something, and they did. What they did? Tam apasarayitum Lakshmanah Rama Ramadnyaya tasyaha karnanasa or nasika, we can use either nasa or nasika, vichedam akkarot. What he did? He cut off her ears and nasika. Tasyaha vadaha atra anapekshaniyaha asit. Nama tasyaha vadaha atra na apekshaniyaha. Why? Because sa tataka iva maharakshasi na asit. She was not that great Rakshasi like Tataka. That's why that much was the punishment for Shurpanakha. They tried to escape, but she was not ready to go away. So they ultimately they had to do something to protect Sita. That's how they protected Sita. So there is no point to criticize Bhagwan Ramachandra. They try to escape by laughing at her or trying to use various sentences, but she didn't understand. Then what to do? Again. Okay. Now, next, Churadi Ganadhatavaha. So now, as I had explained earlier, that there are dhatus which will be belonging to Parasmay Pada. There are few dhatus which will be belonging to Atmani Pada. And there is one separate. Ambujakshaji, please mute yourself. There is a noise again. I am seeing. What did I say? Parasmay, there are some Parasmay Padi dhatu, there are some Atmani Padi dhatus, but there is a third category where you will find those dhatus will be belonging to Parasmay Pada as well as Atmani Pada. So particularly Churadi Gana. So in this Gana, there are few dhatus which will be belonging to Parasmay Pada also and Atmani Pada also. So I am going to put here all these dhatus which we had seen previously, right? Chura dhatu, chorayati, you will decline as chorayati, chorayatah, chorayanti, chorayatu, chorayatam, chorayantu, achorayat, achorayatam, achorayan, chorayet, chorayatam, chorayayuhu, chorayishyati, chorayishyatah, chorayishyanti. And again in Atmane Pada it will be declined as chorayate, chorayete, chorayante, chorayase, chorayethe, chorayadve, like that, right? So let's decline in Lat Lakara, Lot Lakara and Lang Lakara, right? Chorayate, Atmane Pada.
Chorayate, chorayete, chorayante, chorayase, chorayethe, chorayadve, chorayami, chorayavahe, chorayamahe.
Correct. Now Kshala Dhatu, Lot Lakar, Atmani Pada.
Atmane Pada, Shalayata, correct? Shalayatam, Shaletam, Shalayantam.
Correct.
Shalaswa, Shaletam, Shaladvam.
Shalayadvam. Aya Vikarana you have to remember.
So you have to put ayana, Shalayadvam. Shalayahi,
Shalayavahai.
Shalayavahaihi, Shalayamahaihi.
No, Visarga is not there. So,
Mahai.
Shalayavahai, Shalayamahai. Tada dhatu, Atmane Pada, Lang Lakar. Next dhatu, Tada. Atadayata.
Shall I do it or anybody else?
If Ram Balaji, then I will ask you.
Atadayata, atadayetam, atadayanta, atadayethaha, atadayetam, atadayedvam, atadaye, atadayavahi, atadayamahi.
Bhusha dhatu, Lat Lakar, Atmani Pada. Bhushayate.
Bhushayate, bhushayete, bhushayante, bhushayase, bhushayethe, bhushayadve, bhushaye, bhushayavahe, bhushayamahe.
Next dhatu, Katha in Lot Lakar.
Aham vadami mohoday.
Am vadatu Vaishali.
Kathana, kathayani. Kathayetam, kathayetam, kathayantam, kathayaswa, kathayetham, kathayadvam, kathaye, kathayavahai, kathayamahai.
Gana dhatu, Lang Lakar.
Aganayata,
Aganayata. Nandini.
aganayetam, अगणयन्त अगणयथाः अगणयेथाम् अगणयध्वम् अगणये अगणयावहि अगणयामहि.
नाइस. घुष धातु लोट लंग लकार. ओके, लट लकार आत्मनेपद. सिंपल. घोषयते
घोषयते घोषयेते घोषयन्ते घोषयसे घोषयेथे घोषयध्वे घोषये घोषयावहे घोषयामहे.
नेक्स्ट. रच धातु लोट लकार. Those who haven't, they can. Others are welcome to decline Kriyapadas. If not, then I will.
महोदय अहं वदामि.
आम् आम् वदतु.
रचयतां रचयेतां रचयन्तां रचयस्व रचयेथां रचयध्वं रचयै रचयावहै रचयामहै.
नाइस. पूज धातु. हाँ, रेणुका जी. लट लकार पूजयते
पूजयते पूजेते पूजयेते
पूजयन्ते
पूजयन्ते पूजसे पूजयेथे पूजयध्वे पूजत. It should be pujaya. Should I put
पूजये.
I should have put the I.
Yes, yes.
पूजयध्वे पूजये पूजावहे पूजामहे
पूजयावहे पूजयामहे.
पूजयामहे.
करेक्ट. वर्ण धातु लोट लकार. वर्णयतां वर्णयेतां वर्णयन्तां वर्णयस्व वर्णयेथां वर्णयध्वं वर्णयै वर्णयावहै वर्णयामहे. Right? Yes. Now let's move to next. Now we are going to see vidhiling lakara. These are the pratyas. Ita, iyatam, iran, ithaha, iyatham, idvam, iya, ivahi, imai. Vandeta, vandeyatam, vanderan, vandethaha, vandeyatham, vandedvam, vandeya, vandevahi, vandemai. First dhatu we can pick up. Chorayate, right? So chorayeta, chorayetam, chorayeran, chorayethaha, chorayetham, chorayadvam, chorayeya, chorayevahi, chorayemahi. Kshalayate is the dhatu. Kshalayeta. Next.
क्षालयेत क्षालये क्षालयेयाथां क्षालयेरन क्षालयेथाः क्षालयेयाथां क्षालयेध्वं
क्षालयेध्वं.
क्षालयेय 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 क्षालयेवहि क्षालयेमहि.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. ये फास्ट आना चाहिए. अभी देख के आप बोल रहे हो ना.
सर
हाँ. यस कनिष्क. ताड़येत
ताड़येत ताड़येथां
ताड़येयाथां
ताड़येयाथां ताड़येरन.
हाँ.
In slide is the prathama purush tham or tam.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I have to correct that. Nice. Okay, go ahead.
Sir,
Yes, Kanishk.
Sir, can you help me? I'm a bit confused here.
ताड़येत ताड़येयाथां ताड़येरन् ताड़येथाः
ताड़येयाथां
ताड़येध्वं ताड़येय
ताड़येय ताड़येवहि ताड़येमहि.
Nice. Okay, so you practice all these dhatus with these pratyas, right? It, iyatam, iran, ithaha, iyatham, idhvam, iya, ivahi, imahi. Practice that. Okay. All the kriyapada you know. Let's
Yes,
make
sir.
two sentences. In Atmanepada we are making sentences. Now it is your turn to make two sentences by using these kriyapada. So, Manushaha hastan
Shalaye.
shalayeta. Is it?
Shalayante.
No, I'm Vidiling lakara. You have to use Vidiling
Oh,
lakara.
Vidiling lakara. Kshalaye ran.
Shalaye ran. That will be Atmanepada. In Parasmaipada, same dhatu, if you use it will be Shalaye yuhu. Right? Next.
ते शत्रुं ताडयेयुः
हाँ, ताडयेयुः is Parasmaipada. Tadaye ran will be Atmanepada.
Sadhuhu.
साधुः
Pratim. Alankare.
ताडये भूषयेत
Bhushayeta.
भूषयेत
Bhushayeta.
Bhushayeta, right? And now you have to see the Kriyapad, which actually it will be Parasmepadi Kriyapad also by and Atmanepad also. So you need to understand. Mata Katham
कथयेत
Kathayeta.
Kathayati. Kathayati. and
Kathayet and Kathayeta. Both are fine.
वयं दुःखं न
Vayam dukkham na.
गणयेत्
Vayam.
Vayam it is.
गणेयुः गणेयुः
Imahi pratyaya.
Uttama Purusha.
गणेत गणयेत sorry
No, again.
Ganaye mahi.
Okay. Ganayeya, Ganayevahi, Ganaye Mahi. Or simple. Parasmay pada. Ganayet, Ganayetam, Ganayuhu, Ganayehe, Ganayetam, Ganayeta, Ganayeyam, Ganayeva, Ganayema. Vayam dukkham na Ganayema. That will be Parasmay pada. Or Ganayeva Mahi will be Atmani. Okay.
Senapatihi.
Senapatihi yuddham.
Yuddham. Ghoshayet.
Bhushayet. Parasmay pada. Bhushayeta.
Ghoshayet.
Atmani pada. Right?
Kavihi
Slokam.
rachayet.
Kavi slokam rachayet.
Rachayeta.
Kavi slokam rachayet.
So there is little difference. In Parasmaipada, half ta, in Atmanepada, Purnata. Right? Yes. Varnayeta, etc. etc. Now, new word. Atman is the Shabda. Atman. So actually it is Ananta Shabda, ending with An. Atma, An. Atman. Right? So, Atma, it will be declined as Atma, Atmanu, Atmanaha, Atmanam, Atmanu, Atmanaha, Atmana, Atmabhyam, Atmabihi, Atmani, Atmabhyam, Atmabhyaha, Atmanaha, Atmanoho, Atmabhyam, Atmabhyaha, Atmanaha, Atmanoho, Atmanam, Atmani, Atmanoho, Atmachu, He Atman, He Atmanu, He Atmanu. Similarly, there are few words which we will decline here, then we'll move to Shloka.
Jivatman.
Again, Jivatman will be same, so let's move to Paramatma. Again, Paramatma will be same, let's move to Brahman Shabda. Brahma.
Brahma, Brahmanau, Brahmanaha. Brahmanam, Brahmanau, Brahmanaha.
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 Is Brahmanaha.
Brahmanaha. Brahmana. Brahmabhyam, Brahmabihi, Brahmane, Brahmabhyam, Brahmabhyaha, Brahmanaha, Brahmabhyam, Brahmabhyaha, Brahmanaha, Brahmanoho, Brahmanam, Brahmani, Brahmanoho, Brahmasu, He Brahman, He Brahmanau, He Brahmanaha.
Yasya Brahmani Ramate Chittam. Bhaja Govinda. Right? Next. Dvijanma, Dvijanma, Dvijanmanau.
महोदय कर्मण शब्द ओपि आत्मन शब्द एव भवति
आत्मन शब्द एव चलति वस्तुतः ब्रह्मन् इति शब्दः अत्र यदि आत्मवत् प्रचलति तदा पुल्लिङ्गः शब्दः, यदा नपुंसकलिङ्गे भवति तदा सः भिन्न चलति, ब्रह्म ब्रह्मणि ब्रह्माणि, that goes little bit different. So here it is pullinga brahman shabda, which means brahma deva, and whenever you find brahma शब्द in napusaklinga, that means brahma, nirguna nirakara.
तदा महोदय रूप
There
किमपि
is a
भवति
difference. Here brahman means brahma deva.
न, तदा महोदय ब्रह्मन् रूप किमपि भवति
तत्र
तदा नपुंसकः
स्पेशल
भवति।
रूपम् अस्ति तस्य। तत्र ब्रह्म इति रूपं भविष्यति प्रथमा एकवचने, ब्रह्म ब्रह्मणि ब्रह्माणि, that way it goes. द्विजन्मा, अश्मा means rock, पत्थर, अध्वा means मार्ग, path, यज्वा means यज्ञ करता, one who performs यज्ञ, अर्वा, अर्वा अर्वाणो अर्वाणः, पाप्मा पाप्मानो पाप्मानः, right? These all words will be declined as Atman Shabda. Okay, okay. Now let's see some shlokas. नैव किंचित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन्. Okay, and next shloka it is connected, but I have taken here. So can you guess the meaning?
नैव किंचित करोति, कुछ नैव किंचित करोति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित्.
Okay. Okay, what is the kriya pada?
करोति
Karoti is kriya pada, and
मन्ये
manyate is a kriya pada, right? Which means manyate means to
understand, no?
to consider.
Consider.
What he consider? Who considers? Yuktaha athva tattvavit considers. A knower of tattva means what? Wise person or jnani considers himself. What he considers? Na naiva kinchit karomi, aham kinchit api na karomi. And when he is seeing, while doing all these things, while Pashyan is Shatru Pratyanta form, means when he is actually looking at someone, he will be say, I am not looking at you. Pashyan. Shrunvan, while listening, he says, Naiva kinchit karomi. While sprushan means touch. Jigran, to
Smell.
correct.
Smell.
And ashnan, ashnati,
Having food.
having food. Gachan,
To go, move,
swapan,
Swapna.
sleep,
and shwasan.
breathing,
Pralapan,
What?
pralapan, pralapati,
To speak.
to blabber, to speak. Visrujan,
To नाश करना.
give up. No, Visrujan का मतलब to give up.
क्या give up?
प्रलपन,
त्याजना.
विसृजन,
त्याजना. Not in the
गृह्णन,
like ग्रहण करना.
to smell,
Gain.
उन्मीशन,
Unmission.
unmission, nimission is a action of eyes.
eyelids,
Correct? Yes.
So unmission.
Unmission
Open-
and nimission.
open
Opening
your
eyes
eyes.
and
Open
closing eyes.
your eyes.
And closing eyes, right? So unmission, nimission api, he says, naiva kinchit karomi. Why? Because he knows all these actions do not belong to me. All the actions belongs to either body or indriyas. And he never considered himself as body, mind, and intellect. Right? That's how he is a Parnapatram iva ambasa. He stays away from all this papa, etc. Okay, next.
This slok is for Atma word. What?
It can be taken for Atma Jnani.
Atma Gyani. Okay.
Nru janma jantorati durlabham viduhu tatopi pumsvam cha tato vivekah labdhva tad etat tritayam mahatma yateta mukyai sahasa viraktah. In previous shloka, manneta was the kriya pada. Manneta, which lakar was that?
विधिलिंग लकार
Vidiling lakar. Manneta. Here,
प्रथम पुरुष
yateta.
एक वचन आत्मनेपदी.
Correct. Yata dhatu we have seen. Yateta means what? To. We haven't seen, right? Yata means to try karna, prayatna karna. Okay. To put efforts. For what?
Mukta.
Viraktah yateta. Kimartham yateta? Kasyai yateta? Kasya krite yateta? Mukyai. Which case is this?
Atmanipada, it will be lot lakara.
No. I am asking mukyai iti padam. Mukyai.
Mukti only, compel, like
So mukti is the word.
mukti.
It will go like
मुक्ति
matihi. We have seen, right? Mati shabda.
Ikara.
Matihi, mati, matayah, matim, mati, matihi. Fourth case will be mataye, either mataye.
और
Sorry,
मत्ते
mukti shabda, sorry. Muktaye अथवा मुक्त्यई. Fourth case singular. मुक्ति करिता, मुक्ति साठी और मुक्ति के लिए, right? For mukti. And how? Sahasa. Sahasa is avyaya. Okay, that is avyaya padam. Why he should put efforts for all these things? Because nru janmaha jantoho ati durlabham viduhu. It is well known that this manushya janma is durlabha. It's difficult to get. Tatopi pumstvam, and even you get a manushya body. Pumstvam, like pumstvam means one who can work for purushartha. That quality is called pumstvam. Tato vivekah. Vivekah, viveka buddhi. Labdhva etatrayam, manushya janma, pumstvam and viveka. If somebody doesn't work for mukti, then everything is waste. Right? That is very nice shloka. You will find similar thought in Vivek Chudamani. In first two. Yes. Next. Pratyaham pratyaveksheta narashcharitam kinnu me pashubhistulyam kinnu satpurushairiti. Prati aham. Pratyaham.
प्रति अहम
Ahaha is the word. Ahaha, it should be pratyahaha, right? Ahar. Ahaha is the word. It becomes samasta pada. In avyayabhava samasa, it becomes napusakalinga form. So pratyaham means every day, pratidinam.
Ahan means no. Ahani.
Divas. Ahan is the word. So when we do samasta pada, it will become pratyaham means pratidinam, every day. Now there is a kriya pada. Which kriya pada is this? Pratyaveksheta. What would be the kriya pada? We have seen without
अवेक्ष
main root. You have to guess.
प्रति अवेक्षत प्रति अवेक्षत
अविक्षत है कहते.
अवेक्षत
Prati plus
अवेक्षत
plus
अववीक्षत
iksheta. Iksheta means should see. He should see. Prati ava, and then iksha dhatu has been used. So with carefully every day he should examine, he should see. Who? Narah. And what he should see? Charitam, his own character or his own charitram. Atmanah means अपने आप का. Atman Narah Atmanah Charitam Pratyaham Pratyavaksheta. And how he should see? Kim Kimnu me Pashuvihi Tulyam me Charitram me Charitam Pashuvihi Tulyam asti ut Satpurushaihi Tulyam asti tat Pratidinam Drashtavyam iti artha. So whether my Charitam is like Pashu, like animals, or like Satpurusha, we have to say, we have to observe, we have to examine our own Charitra, right? Yes, here we will stop. We have seen Vidhiling Lakara. In coming classes, we'll finish Atmane Pada and which Lakara? Zrit Lakara we have to see. In coming classes, you memorize Lat Lakara, Lot Lakara, Lang Lakara and Vidhiling Lakara, right? Yes. Any doubt, any question regarding today's class or anything you want to ask? No questions? Mute yourself if you have some question. Siya Ramji, mute yourself. Sorry, unmute yourself. No. I cannot unmute yourself. You have to unmute. There will be some option in.
Yes, yes.
हाँ.
I have now done. आज पूरी तरह म्यूटेड रहा हम भाई ये कुछ
अच्छा, आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे क्या? Okay.
नहीं, वो धातु रूप कुछ याद करना है, याद करेंगे बहुत. हाँ
जी, धीरे धीरे जितने हो सकते उतने करिएगा, क्योंकि आत्मनिपद के ये जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं ना, ये सारे के सारे प्रत्यय जैसे के वैसे हम कर्मणि प्रयोग में यूज करेंगे. और कर्मणि प्रयोग बड़ा सिंपल हो जाता है जब ये याद कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि सारे धातुओं के साथ ये प्रत्यय यूज किए जाते हैं, वेदर दैट विल बी परस्मैपद और आत्मनिपद. इट डजंट मैटर इन कर्मणि प्रयोग. इफ यू आर यूजिंग गम धातु, यू कैन यूज डायरेक्टली गम्यते. दैट वुड बी सिंपल, राइट? सो ट्राई टू मेमोराइज एज मच एज पॉसिबल.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
Okay, then we will conclude here.
धन्यवाद महोदय. धन्यवाद.